Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Currently in the trade on AUD USD 71.86. Got 3 minutes left on this trade. Up 360 right now. Did a sell on it. Right now the market at 71.78. Almost 10 pips away. It made a pretty good move to the downside right here, as you can see. Got a bearish candle right here. It actually dropped as low as 71.70. All right, brother. It dropped low at 71.70. So I had a forex trade in. That forex trade has won. So everything, all is good. FX Moolah trades is going to do its thing. That's what I have a signal group right now. Just started it. So if you want to catch my trades, you can catch my trades there. FX Moolah. FX Moolah. I actually have a website. I may put it inside the comment section. But as you can see, the market is still down at 71.77.4. It reached a zone where I did a trade at, so everything is good. Y'all kind of see in my analysis a little bit. Some of you guys are familiar with Fibonacci. Some of you guys are not. You know, it might be some newbies. But everything's going pretty well. Put a lot of risk on this trade. So you see my account value is at 214. But at the same time, I knew that the risk I took was a good risk. It was a calculated risk. So that's why I'm up in so much profit right now. But things are going pretty well. If I'd have did 71.80, I would be way up a lot more. This count is going to reach 1,000 today. So I made a deposit on August 29th. Give me just a moment, y'all. Six days of trading. All right, yeah, with 5.5 days of trading, maybe a full six. I moved $100 account, $123, $116, something like that, to $1,000, which isn't bad. It's not a big number like some of the other guys done online. I can't think of his name. I think his name is Jack Gleason. With Major League Trading, he does pretty good trades as well on NetX. Use Thinkorswim. He's pretty good at it too, so I give him that. But he in for dailies. He don't do hourly and 2 hours. So I make more trades, but he make more money on this one trade. So we're under the 30-second mark right now. Trade is gonna win. Count should hit up over $1,000. That's gonna be pretty good. It's just watching see this thing win. It's under 10 seconds. All right, there we go. Count just hit over $1,000. Everything's going great. Alex Jenkins checking out. If I can get it to do so.